All right, so in this video, I want to go ahead and show you how to continue on. Okay, once you've set up the group magnet, that's your first thing to do. We're going to go ahead and download the rest of the apps here. Okay, so this is going to pop open. Just download them to your computer. Okay, so just download them all to your computer. Go ahead and create a file. So don't open them up in here. You can come over here, show in Finder. I'm on a Mac, so it's a little different maybe. So there is Be Louder. For me, for a Mac, I can just literally double click and the folder will open. You see the folder open, okay? And so now what you have is the remaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? I'm just gonna pull this slightly off screen. So I was going to, just like that, so you can see it. And all you need to do now is you're just gonna head over to, you can just go here, Chrome extension. You just need to go in the back where the extensions are. So this is where the extensions are. All of your extensions. So it's just Chrome : / extension. And you can get to it anyway, but you need to get to this extension page. Just turn your developer mode on. Okay, so you turn that on, and then all we're going to do is we're just going to drag the zip file in there. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's it. And you can see them already appear up here. Okay, you can already start to see them appear up here. Disclaimer, which should have came before, is if you've already used something like Group Funnels, Group Convert, or any other, there's a few other spin-offs out there, you'll continue using them or you'll have to discontinue using them, one of the two, okay? So they're basically all the same type of function, okay? So there we go. So now we have our extensions. So head back to Facebook and let's go ahead and take a look here. So the first one is, we're going to have to go ahead and enter in our emails. And so in here is Message Connector. Okay. So Message Connector is real simply that you get to select. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video because that gives an overall understanding of how to get them on here. And now I'll go through each individual one.